I'm Mike Zula. We're here in my home in the South End in Boston. The house was built by a builder who had customized some things. He had had a different AV company come in. I'm one of those guys who, you never know, right? So you're coming from a new town and you want to just check around and do your due diligence, try to find somebody new. So we looked up Adam, we looked up a few other folks, called them. He and I had a good connection right off the spot. I mean, Adam and his team, they were fantastic, right? He's a great communicator. He always kept me in the loop on the process. And once he brought his team out here, they have that attention to detail and that passion for every part of their job that makes it you pick the right guys, right? These are guys that really care about what they do. They want to make it perfect. I mean, even down, they must have measured 3 or 4 times just to make sure they got it just right. And I was here, a lot of us work from home now, right? So I was here and his team was here and they were asking questions along the way, making sure they had everything right. So you knew you could trust whatever they were gonna do. Adam did everything from getting our internet set up to recommending electronics, so like television soundbars, sound throughout. And then we did Lutron shades throughout where we needed shades. The blinds are extremely quiet, all programmable. We don't even take advantage of probably half of the features you can do. We just use the app now. We don't even bother. We have a couple of keypads for guest rooms. Otherwise, everything's done on the app. I think any vendor you deal with that you want to have a good relationship with, it's somebody that you would go, in my opinion, I would go have a beer with, right? Like, you want somebody that you can trust and that you feel like is giving you the right advice. And I think Adam treats everybody like he would treat, and gives the service that he would give to his family. And I think that's important.